go shorty, it's your birthday. We go party like it's your birthday. We go sip a party like
It's your birthday, and you know we don't give a fuck 'cause that's your birthday.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. But if you're new, you should like subscribe now, because like, why would you not want to subscribe? That's weird. That's suspicious. Anyways, for today's video, as you all can see by the title, there's nothing much to really explain. Today is gonna be another vlog. So my last vlog was preparing for my birthday, which is today. Today's my birthday, but it's coming to an end sadly. Like, I don't get your birthday just come and just like go away. Like, why? Anyway, we're gonna be going to a villa soon, because like I saw the next day. So yeah, I'm just gonna be vlogging, bringing you guys along with me. I'm trying to get into the vlogging world more. Yeah, so I want to like please everybody on my channel. I want to give you guys stuff you'd like to watch, right? So currently I am packing. You can't see it, but I am packing. So I'm gonna be just like vlogging my little packing session. Yeah, go get a cookie and sit down and watch me.
Something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Back more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm so glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else has.
Tell them get the tongue, every guns up, every killer mass up. Travel on them in board, does look 17 like Japan and this fatness. My finger move swift, me gun them not stick. I got the gang a roll, second for me now. Party alone like a all of my thugs are my party. Up, like sponge up to the rest spot. Mother belly company when me let me stop.
Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around love, right around the trip, right around the dick. Right around the slap me up, break them down and fit. Right around the world.
So guys, we are at the villa finally. I'm gonna give you guys a tour. So when you come through this door, of course, this is like a little patio, a little chill space. Then this is the main door. Mama lucky, mama go in the official house door. Yeah, you pull it, watch nails, yeah, sexy. Then you step in. This is the living room. Should I? How do you turn on these lights though? I don't even know. Oh, I can't see. Wait, I'm not seeing I can. So this is the living room section. Right. You come around. That's that girl. Then you have this table here. These are the games we're gonna be playing. Rochelle. You have the AC, of course. This is nice and cool. We have a sound box. This is the smart TV, and yada yada yada. Then we go. This is the kitchen area, right? These are the pots we're gonna be cooking. This is the fridge. You know, fully braff and all these things. That's my cake. Is anything in this side? Yeah, chicken we season up, we're gonna cook. That's the fridge. Nice. You come now, you have some cupboards. that we're not gonna use. I'm gonna have not to put in there. And Rochelle is up in my vlog. Oh, you turn on the light, them not the angry light. Yeah. Yeah. So you have these gentle people. Okay, so stepping out of the kitchen, you have 3 rooms. 1, 2, 3. This bathroom is for that room. These are the male's room, right? So they have a little dresser. That's me, sexy she. They have a single bed, a bunk bed, closet. Yeah. Then this is another closet. This is a bathroom, right? I love this. You can sit as well. That's a toilet tissue. That's it for that. I'm gonna go in that room, but someone's in there, so I can't impede as yet. This is my room, me and my cousin and I. So this is our dresser, this is our closet. That's something you can put your clothes in, a little lamp table. That's my balloon. Then we have a closet, 1 more of these, my cousin's suitcase, mine is right there. And then this is our bathroom. I love this, right? So you have the toilet tissue, you have this big broad mirror, love it here. Then you have the glass door where you can go on bed. So guys, this is the 3rd room. When you come in, you have the bed, you have a little lamp, you have a light, you have the AC, you have the ceiling fan. You have the curtains, you have a closet with their stuff, and you have a mirror. That's me. Period. But yeah guys, this is the full house tour, and I'll see you guys when we're doing something fun. Bye. So guys, we cooked. Rochelle, come before the party. I'm having nails. So this is curry goat, guys, and in this pot we have rice under the plastic bag. But yeah guys, that's it. We finna eat our hungry. Yeah. Yeah guys, we're in the supermarket. We're buying sugar because they didn't buy sugar. And I saw your video for YouTube, sir. You have to turn the phone sideways. And I need to get my sugar.
She was supposed to do
Alright, so sugar here. I don't like these ones. I see them on this. Oh, remember that look over here. How much for this? $128. That's not bad. Go. Now go video you.
Oh.
We're going to the cashier now, guys. Bye, because I'm shy. Hi, Lando.
Yeah.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, thanks.
Say hi, fans. I'm weak. Nice, cause some boy is got a road out there my chest. So yeah, girl, class, I feel it. So guys, we got the wings, ingredients, right? Bad chef now video, and the chicken them so far. I just the fog from off of something there. Shut the fuck up. Pussy ass nigga.
You're standing directly under a light. You're not even hiding, you're just standing there. I was just thinking, oh, no, bro, you can kind of flag for that. Let me ask you this, man.
Alright. Big up Chef She. Chef, they write this one. Should they write this one? Yeah. Atlanta right now. Yeah. Hey, 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 hey. So guys, I am home. I want to thank everyone that came and celebrated with me. I want to thank everyone who wished me a happy birthday. It was very happy, yeah. And just, you know, if you're here at the end of this video, if you're seeing this right now, I want to thank you for sticking through the whole video. Thank you for your support. Continue supporting me, you know. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on the video. Because I'm going to content me and do this for yeah, so don't leave I do subscribe because that's weird, first of all, right? Make sure you guys share this video with your friends, family, or enemy, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, everybody, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye baby.